What's up, guys? This is Larry here for the LIOI channel, LIOI Systems. Just wanted to do another video for you about pretty much me eating whatever I can. Last video you saw me basically I got defeated by Domino's Pizza. I will admit, I lost. Today, we're going to try White Castle. Now, a lot of you guys are probably thinking, bad idea, shouldn't happen, but you know what? I like it. It's a once in a blue moon thing, or once in a 6-month thing, so we'll try it. What I got for you guys today is 10 cheeseburgers, a big old sack of fries, they call it a sack of fries, and I got myself a 9-piece chicken ring. See? Chicken ring, not chicken wing. I'm going to add my own ketchup to it, and, just to make it a little bit easier to eat. No dessert on this one, unfortunately, which I was a little upset about, but I got myself a vanilla Coke, and I got myself a glass of water, just to keep myself going. So, I'm going to be doing this while watching a movie, like I always do. So, sit back and relax and enjoy me, one person, destroying all of this as best as I possibly can. The beauty part about this whole thing is, I was at the gym this morning, I destroyed my back, my biceps, I killed it in the gym. Come home, did my thing, did, some house stuff. Now I'm about to kill this food, and then do some more work later on tonight. The point of all of this stuff that I do is to show you guys that it's okay. You can do this once in a while. I do it once a week. That's it. Once a week. The rest of my week, I'm on point with everything that I do. But once a week, I go apeshit. And I enjoy myself, and I have a good time, and I eat the stuff that I don't normally eat, and I am fulfilled with that. That's where you guys need to get to. That's what you need to do. That you could have this. You could have this French fry. You could dip it in, whatever. You could eat it and just be, alright, I'm done. I'm done. Well, after the rest of this, I'll be done. So enjoy. I'm going to watch. Thank you.